welcome you watching DBMN TV. This is Monli Sarumbai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Supporters from Meghalaya rejoices over the victory of Bright Starwell. UDP claims 11 victors in the 2023 MLA elections. 5 victors emerges from All India Trinamool Congress Party. And NPP backs victory with 17 MLAs from Garo, 4 from Khasi and 4 from Jantia. Another news in detail. People both young and old have gathered in Polo Ground to witness the counting of votes, anxiously waiting for their leader Bright Starwell Marbanyang to rise. Finally, their efforts were paid off when the announcement was made on the victory of Bright Starwell from Meghalaya constituency. Polo Ground was filled with supporters of different candidates, some of which returned home with joy, whereas some empty-handed with despair. UDP produced 11 MLAs from different constituencies in the state. From Amlarem Lakman Rumbui, from Kliriat Kermenshilla, from Mairang Merba Lingdo, from Maukerwat Renikton Lingdo Tongkar, from Mauplang Matthew Beyond Star Kurba, from Mausenram Olan Singh Sun, from Mokayao Nujorki Sungo, from Nongpo Mirabon Siem, from Shella Balajet Kupar Sindram, from West Shillong Paul Lingdo, and from Ranikor Pius Marwin. The victor from Ampati includes Mani Dishira from Dadingre, Rupa M. Marak, from Nong Thamai, Charles Pungro, from Rajabala, Mizanpur Raman Kazi, and from Songsak Mukul Sangma, who is also one of the leaders of AITC Meghalaya. The NPP leaders who brought home victory in the 2023 MLA elections includes Pongseng Marak, Sengchim N. Sangma, Amprin Lingdo, Sostinus Sotun, Wailat Miki Shilla, Rupert Momin, Sanjay Sangma, Marthon J. Sangma, Snyab Halang Dhar, Abu Taher Mondal, Preston Pinsong, Coming One Umbon, Limson D. Sangma, Subir Marak, Timothy Shira, Rakam A. Sangma, Jim M. Sangma, Ian Botham Sangma, Conrad Sangma, Santa Mary Shilla, Jimmy D. Sangma, Daman Bad Lamare, Marcus N. Marak, Arbenstone B. Marak, and Thomas. The Congress Party could produce only 5 MLAs in this 2023 MLA elections. The 5 victors includes Charles Marngar from Mauhati, Dr. Celestine Lingdo from Umsning, Ronnie V. Lingdo from Milliam, and Gabriel Walang from Nongston. From Garo Hills, only one leader brought home victory, that is Saling Sangma from Gambergre. Voice of the People's Party for the first time won with 4 MLAs, which includes Arden Basayomoit from Nongkrem, Bright Starwell Marbanyang from Maulai, Heavingstone Karpran from Maurinkeneng, and Adelbert Nongrum from North Shillong, Maukhar Jayao. On the other hand, PDF Party won by 2 MLAs, Bantedor Lingdo from Maukenro and Gavin Miguel Milliam from Sora. HSPDP also won with 2 MLAs, namely Shakliar Warjri from Mautharashan and Methodius Dekhar from Maushinrun. The National Party BJP won with 3 MLAs, which includes AL Hek from Penthor Umkra and Sanbor Shulai from North Shillong Laban and Aki Sangma. On the 2nd of March, after the victory of Balajet Kupar Sindram from Shella constituency from UDP, the supporters of NPP demanded the recounting of votes from the particular constituency. The election in charge rejected the demands, and the victor still holds the name as announced by the Election Commission of India, which led to an aggressive group of people pelting stones and thrashing the Sora Civil Subdivision office.
là tồn cái snap các bạn năng đấy.
After the situation that arose in Khasinews village, the Deputy Commissioner and District Magistrate, West Janta Hills District, B.S. Solia IAS, imposed a curfew in Khasinews region as a means to control and subside the situation since it may pose a threat to property and human life. The curfew is imposed on the 2nd of March until further notice. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.